So students, today I am going to tell you about types of neural networks. So based on architecture, there are different types of neural networks. So basically there are 4 types of neural network. So first one is artificial neural network. So artificial neural network can be thought to be as a logistic regression where we multiply by random weights and move ahead. Basically, artificial neural network is a group of multiple perceptrons or neurons at each layer. Artificial neural network is also known as feed-forward neural network because inputs are processed only in forward direction. Next is multi-layered perceptron. So a neural network that has 3 or more layers are known as multi-layered perceptron. Multi-layered perceptron has an input layer which has at least one hidden layer and output layer. In multi-layered perceptron, we can have various activations functions, and there can be more than 2 outputs, or we can say we can have 2 or more outputs. So third one is recurrent neural network. When we introduce a loop in a artificial neural network, it is known as recurrent neural network. The looping constraint ensures that sequential information is captured in the input data. The RNN or recurrent neural network is used for sequential data. Fourth one is convolutional neural network. So convolutional neural network uses filters to extract features from input using what is known as convolutional operation. Convolutional neural networks are extremely popular for computer vision tasks. So there are filters which try to capture different patterns and then move ahead, and combining all these patterns we can identify images.